Hi everyone, so I'm going to attempt to show you how to use the Siser EasyWeed Adhesive with the StarCraft Foil. I went ahead and already cut out my Siser EasyWeed Adhesive. You do that in just like regular HTV. You cut with your liner down, your adhesive up, and you do a mirror image so that when you flip it over you have your design. I'm going to go ahead and put this on here. I've already pre-pressed the t-shirt, and this is a scrap one, so I am not worrying too much about the centering it and stuff like that. But so we've got it at 275, and we're going to go ahead and put it down for about 5 to 10 seconds. And we'll wait for a second. It is pretty warm. You can peel this hot. So as you can see, there's just, you can't actually, it's kind of clear, right? So you can't see a lot of, you don't see color, but you do see a little bit of the adhesive, so you know where to put your foil. And then the next step for this is we're going to actually put our foil on. We're introducing these 6 packs of foil with 2 HTV sheets so that you guys can make your own designs. And I have just put the word thankful on here, so we're just going to sporadically place different colors. Let's see here. This one has this hot pink, some silver, we've got leopard pink. Let's see, what else do we have? Black. And I'm just going to alternate all these. You put these down with the right side up. So if you have a pattern, you'll put the pattern down so that you can see that. So there's some more leopard. I hope the sound's not crazy. I'm not very good at videos, guys. Okay, I've got some more gold. I think some of these are too big. I want to get some more colors in here. So this is what the beauty of foil is. The beauty of foil is that you can do all of these things with one press and you get awesome results. If you put a ton of colors in there, you might be looking at more than one press because you have to go back and fill in some of the blanks. Let's see, what do we have? Let's put some more silver. Let's see, how far over do we go? Put some more leopard. I feel like I need a bigger design for all these colors, but I at least wanted to show you guys that it is possible to do this. And we've got an arrow here. Let's see, what color should we use for that? Let's use hot pink. Okay, and then I'm going to take a big sheet of black and we're going to put that over this whole thing so that if we missed anything, I'm going to have some tape on it. I use the end roll, part of the roll, to do this. Okay, so now we have all of our colors on there. We have the whole design. And I want you guys to know I'm using the Mint StarCraft heat press. It's a 15 by 15. This thing is awesome. It's super cute too. So, and we just got them in. They're $349.99. Let's see here. The foil, we're going to press it at 275 to 315. And then you want to do it for 8 to 15 seconds, depending on your heat. So I'm a little bit low. I'm going to keep mine at the 275 I used for the adhesive. And then I'm giving it 12 seconds. And I hope that's enough because I don't want to embarrass myself. But what we have to do now is we're waiting, because we do cold peel this and it will test your patience, because I really want to peel it up right now. I'm going to take it off of the, actually I don't want to take it off the heat press. I'll turn the heat press off just because I don't want to move my phone and not be able to show you everything. So let that cool down. But anyway, a little bit more about the foil packs. We are going to be introducing them with 6 colors in them. So they'll have 6 12 by 12 sheets of different colors of foil. They'll be 2 patterns and 4 solids as what we're trying to do for each pack. The packs will run $8.99. So you'll get those 6 sheets, plus you get 2 sheets of the EasyWeed adhesive. So with those, depending on what size shirt you are making, you'll be able to use quite a bit. And you probably will need more EasyWeed adhesive with all that foil. And we do sell those individually and on the rolls. So once you get used to the foil, if you want to buy large rolls of it, those come in 25 feet increments. Let's see what else. Not much else. I'm just really impatient to see this cool down, but it's not going to do it very fast. I've had a few of you talking to me about getting cooling blocks. I can look into them and see if I can bring them in bulk. I know that it's basically just a piece of marble. So maybe I can go source that and I can buy one and have them cut it down so that we can sell them to you guys. I don't know that you can buy partials, but if you have any piece of stone at home, if you have a really big rock or something, you could probably put that in your freezer as long as it's smooth so that you can get those. See, I'm super impatient. It's not completely cool yet. But what happens is where the adhesive is where the vinyl sticks. So let's see. I don't know. You guys, I'm impatient. Maybe I can cool it down out of the heat press and then come back and show you. And that is important to peel it cold. You can see when I show you close up of the black, it's got a little bit of a distressed look to it. And that could be because I peeled it when I did. Can you guys see that, I wonder? No, you can't. Let's see. I don't want to put that back under the heat press. Okay. I love foil. So I saw somebody did like a lion or something once, and they put like 40 different scraps on it and made it this just amazingly, it looked like just super intricate. Oh my gosh, I love this. Again, please excuse my video skills because I don't have any. But I just really wanted to show you guys the foil. Okay, so there we go. We've got Thankful. I'm going to pull this off of here so I can get a little bit closer. So sometimes the foil does do a little bit of a distressed look, but if you do it at the right temperature and you wait for it to be cold, then you're not going to have those issues. I love mixing these colors, you guys. Look at that. So we've got black and pink and regular cheetah with the gold, and then we've mixed them all. So the one thing I probably would not do in the future is put a silver film on a gray shirt. But like I said, it is scrap. Hold on just a second. I want you to be able to see this. So that's probably the one thing I probably wouldn't have added to this if I do it again. But I did want to show you all 6 colors that come in this first pack that we're going to put out. Cheetah in 2 different colors. And then we've got hot pink, matte silver, gold, matte black. And let's see here. Hot pink, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So there they all are. Super excited to show you guys that. And hopefully we can help you out and get some great packs going for you. Talk to you later.